Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to turn on the Meta AI on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your Instagram application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to home page. Now go to your messages. So just tap in the message icon here and select a message where you want to use the Meta AI. So to call the Meta AI bot, you just want to type in here at Meta AI. Now, if you tap on send now, the bot will now pop up just like ChatGPT or other bots that can help you in messaging. Now, if this method or this feature does not show up for you, what you can do is to make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. So you want to go to your Play Store or to your App Store and search for Instagram. Now from here, tap on Instagram and make sure that there is no update button right here. If there is, you might want to update it to the latest version. So that's basically how you can turn on the Meta AI on Instagram. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.